Good morning and welcome to another van life in Australia. We're having a great time.
So I had the best night's sleep wearing Paddy's leisure shirt and shower, bathroom, all that shebang. A little kitchen area for us. We watched Pitch Perfect yesterday on this. It was amazing. Bed, extra bed, so good. And most important, aircon.
Okay, we've met up with the parents and we're gonna do a 2-hour drive basically to Hinchinbrook Lookout. Did see on Google Maps was like, it looks like a perfect spot for crocodiles. So, and then we go to a spa pool. We'll see, and then we could do more, we could do less. We're just gonna go with the flow today. We made it to the spot now, and Juul hates when I go off the Google Maps navigation. To be fair to her, 99% of the time I go off navigation, I end up in the wrong spot. But I live for that 1%. Shortcut. We got a shortcut. Oh my god, you look like you changed.
Yes, I have changed. I didn't want to make your shirt sweaty. It's been such an asshole.
Taking so damn long. Here we are. Definitely about 1,000 crocodiles live in there. He's like a medium-sized one. She's so happy. Yay. That's so cool though. Full of crocodiles, I'm sure. Pretty?
Yeah. Wish I could see some crocodiles or something. From far away.
So we've pulled up now. It's only about half an hour out the road, but we've got a nice little... So we pulled up and we can go to Caldwell Lookout, Ardie Creek, Dead Horse Creek, Spa Pool. But we got the Hinchinbrook Channel Lookout, the Hinchinbrook Island Lookout, and the Cardwell Lookout, all within 650 meters. We were supposed to go to the Attic Falls, which looks like a really nice waterfall into a little pool where you can go swim. Like a big part of this is it's roads closed because of the weather. 600 meters is just little stairs the whole way up. Just keeps going up. Oh, that was a long way up. It kind of looks like the view we had. It's hot. Jules heading back.
Because I've seen the view and you're just going to see the view from a different perspective again. Seen it once, basically seen it 3 times.
See you in a bit.
The main name?
Now, was it worth the extra bit of hiking? Yes. Although, kind of already seen this. Show was right, I think. Okay, and the second lookout. Oh. Okay, walking back from the hike now. Both beautiful views, beautiful lookouts. Lovely, not really a lovely walk. It's a fine walk, but so yeah, show wins this one. Bacon and egg McMuffin break. Just had a coffee at the Big Crab, and now I think gonna go to a place where it's called a spa pool, and I think we can go for a nice swim and not get killed by crocodiles. So it's like a win-win. Be croc wise in the croc country. What do you think? Swim time?
I'd say no.
Came out to the pier to go crocodile spotting.
Yeah, ran into a woman. She was like, "You're pretty fine swimming in the water." There's like probably crocodiles, but you don't really see them.
Yeah, so you can go for a swim because they're only probably there.
And then she was like, we were talking about the crocodile we seen a few days ago, and she was like, "Oh, that was just a freshie.
It's just a freshie. Don't worry about it.
Freshie. Don't worry about them. They're not dangerous." That's my Korea Australian accent.
Yeah, she was really good at accents.
Yeah.
I haven't heard
Get
them
out
before.
the water.
Can I do a Scottish person?
Can I do a Kiwi? Oh, Scottish. Wait. Pink. Get down. Get down.
Irish?
Ireland, and I'm gonna go to the fairy show.
USA?
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Canada?
That's so fucking cool. They sound
That's the same. Oh, that's controversial.
Yeah, sorry. Kiwi. I'm gonna go to my lesson and I'm gonna get a 7 and then I'm gonna go get my pits.
German?
Scheiße, du bist krank in deinem Kopf.
We're done. Oh, you want to go French?
This is such a pretty and in France we say
We're stopping this. This is it. Topped up on fuel. Got some ice creams. Time for the spa.
Golden Gay Time.
Gay time.
That's what the ice cream's called.
Oh, this is getting ridiculous.
We're gonna go to the spa pools.
Well, it's 2.5 kilometer walk, so we'll probably just walk it, I'd say. Hope there's no crocodiles. Well, I tried to go like the long way around and it looked like it was possible. Really pretty. I'll show you. Look how gorgeous that is and driving on these roads. Unfortunately, no through road does not lead to Spa Pool. But I mean, I found it beautiful, so I think it was still worth the go. Yeah, we're not in the ideal area for this kind of stuff, but when it rains, it pours. But now I'm sweating me We made it to the campsite now, and Shul's gone in to park us up for a change, and I'm sitting in the parking spot. She's being a little independent girly pop. You can get used to this. We made it to the paid camping. Beautiful. And we also got a really sick pool. This is really cool. Look at that.
Paddy should go off the side, shouldn't he? Yeah.
What an incredible pool.
Paddy is such a child. I told him to come out. We're going to the beach. You look like you're receding.
That's just mean.
But yeah, it's a one-sided receding.
No, it's both sides.
It's
technically it is one side. It's just the whole thing.
So the fun thing about this camping as well, I got a mosquito bite here by the way. There's cassowaries everywhere.
Yeah, they just walk around and at night time they like take over the campsite.
Yeah, we haven't seen them. We've seen them in the zoo, but in the zoo they said they were really dangerous. So I don't know. We'll have a just a tiny walk away. Here is Mission Beach. There's a huge stinger net. So that's a problem here with a lot of Australia. I feel like it's either
Everything
closed or dangerous.
You can swim.
Awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce. Jill, what did you just do?
With an aircon. I found out they do like portable aircons, so I was like, I'll just get one. Don't tell Paddy.
I cannot believe what's just happened. I was at the beach, right? We were chilling. We come back and there's this little golf caddy here. I was like, sure. And then I find out what Shul's been up. And she's installed air conditioning in our Toyota Hiace.
20 euros.
For one night of air conditioning. What do you have to say for yourself? We were in a motel less than 12 hours ago. It's a whole ass air conditioning. This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen. It's a fucking Toyota Hiace with air conditioning. You're so proud of yourself. You're so proud of yourself.
Got tomato, cheese, tomato again, avocado, chicken, lettuce, sauce, and tortillas.
That's enough for tacos.
Yay!
I'm out with Shul's parents now, out on the hunt to try and find the calamaris, whatever they're called. Shul stayed back, but no luck. Just darkness. Any eyes? No eyes.